Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to quickly format hard disk completely, including all the partition in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type format hard disk. So open it. Now here is a all disk. After that, in the search box, first of all, write this and type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. And after opening the command, first of all, type a disk part. Click on it, and after that, click on a list disk and press enter. Now you can see that and the second in my case is my partitions and hard drive is with the name of disk 1, so you can see that. So after that, type select space disk, and after that enter the disk number. So in my case is a 1, and press 1 and press enter. Now you can see that disk is now the selected. So after that, type a list disk and press enter. Now you can see that this symbol sign is indicate that the disk 1 is selected. So now simply type a clean. When you type a clean and press enter, the all this disk one selected is clean up and totally format. So in my cases, at this time I not continue to complete the process, because I'm not try to remove everything. So when you click on a type in a clean, then is disk is cleaned. So after that, when you clean it, they create a partition family and assign the type. So after that, close it, and after completing that, when you click on type a clean, then all the partition is formats. So this is a simple ways to quickly format the all the disk in Windows 11. So after that, and restart your computer, and I'm sure that this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.